This is Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com, February 26th, 2021. We are looking at markets here pretty much in the middle of the day, last trading session for February 2021. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at US markets, take a look at some world markets, Canadian market, the Nifty. We'll take a look at gold. We'll take a look at the dollar, and we'll take a look at crude oil also. Also, towards the end of the video, we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. All right. Let's begin from the top. Literally. All right. So this is the hourly chart for the Dow. Now, recall about 2 days ago, the Dow was pushing, tempting us with a bullish move to all-time highs. Now, as the market was moving here, as far as the Dow was concerned, to all-time highs, there was something not right on the charts, and it smelled like it was a trap. And I can show this on this hourly chart. If I draw a line connecting RSI highs, you can see at the highs, with the Dow recording all-time intraday highs, I believe it was Tuesday or Wednesday, the RSI did hit that RSI topside resistance as the market closed right there. So the pullback of the highs makes sense. Now that we've already seen the pullback, the question is, what kind of a pullback are we going to get? And to be honest, there's not much to really give us a good insight until we get more data. If you take a look at the daily, we can draw a line connecting RSI lows. So we can say net that if this line can hold, then this is good enough to stabilize the current market and give the market an opportunity to start building back to the upside. This is the hourly, so it's a very short-term view. And we know that if the market cracks below this line, expect there to be more downside. Now, I want to discuss the daily, because in my opinion, based on the daily chart, the Dow is definitely gonna have to record a big down day, potentially closing at the lows of the session. And the reason for this is dependent on where the RSI ends the day. So right now we're seeing the Dow pushing lower, and the reason can be because the RSI is dropping below 50 on the daily RSI. If it stays below 50, expect the market to close towards session lows. Now, on this chart here, also, I want to discuss briefly why the move to all-time highs was so suspect. It felt so suspect. And again, it's the same reasoning. Take a look at this. So what the Dow did, and I talked about this in a separate video, it went above the top side of the RSI. In a sense, looked like it was breaking out. But really what it has done is the age-old trick, which is uniform activity rejection. It went above the line, back below it. That tends to be a well-designed trap. And that's exactly what we got. At any rate, that concludes the free portion of this video. The rest of the video is for paid subscribers. Let's continue on here.